My name is Teresa Pastore, and I'm the founder and executive director of Parents Engaged in Education. We are a small but mighty volunteer charity we're the first to respond to the COVID crisis by building learn-at-home kits for students from JK to 12. These kits are important not just to support learning, but they have a lot of activities for kids to do to help ease their mind and their mental health crises right now. We believe strongly in interactive learning as well as learning through games, kits, activities, all of those included with these kits. We're servicing from JK right through grade 7, 8, and fully into the secondary level. We have already packed 625 kits, which have been distributed to various charities that serve our most needy students. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our donors. And please excuse me, I'm going to use a list so I don't forget people. OECTA, TSU OECTA, OSSTF are the teacher unions that have stepped up to support our students. Various independent small donors have made a massive difference in this project. Nelson Canada, Scholastic, First Book, Indigo, Love of Reading, Canadian Curriculum, Learning Advantage, Home Depot Morningside, HP, and Grand & Toy. And there are others who made smaller donations. We can't do this work without you, and we do have needs to complete these kits. We're asking any company or individual who can donate either financially or with school supplies or art supplies, notebooks. That's what we need to fill these kits out, and hopefully 1,000 more children will receive a kit at the end of the day. We've worked hard with our donors, but we need to work harder. So we're asking people to please step up. If you're working and you're in a good position financially to maybe help, every $25, $50 helps us achieve our goal. You can go on our website, www.parentsengagededucation.ca/donate and make a difference today. Please dream big with us. We don't hand down to children, we raise children up. That's our goal. Join us. Thank you.